Forgot PowerPoint password to open it. PowerPoint password isn't right. How to remove password from PPT? Just follow us to recover PowerPoint password with PassFab for PPT. You can go to our official website to download the software. Now, run PassFab for PPT. Click Add, and select your password-protected file. Choose one attack method. Click Start. Now, you get your password. Click Copy. You can use it to open your PowerPoint. If you want to remove password from PPT, click File on the top left corner. Go to Info tab. Select Protect Presentation option. Click Encrypt with Password and delete the password. Click OK. Then save changes